Hello friends, welcome to part 22 of Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce series. We will continue working on the categories module, and in this part we are going to add the category level drop down. Okay, up to 3 level we are going to do. Okay, so let's start. So first we are going to add this categories management at the left sidebar. Not exactly the category management. We are going to add the catalog management. We have added that dashboard, update password, update details, sub-admins in the admin management. In catalog management, we are going to add the categories, products, orders. Okay. So the catalog management covers all the e-commerce module. Okay. All these e-commerce kind of features that are related to the order placement. Okay. So we are going to add categories, products, orders, and other modules we are going to add. Okay, so let's first do that. I'm going to first close the files. These are the earlier files that we have modified. So I'm going to open the sidebar blade file, and here after this admin management, what I'm going to do, I am going to copy this one, this complete. I can copy here and can paste here like this, and here menu open we can we are not going to make it menu open, that we are already doing there. So here we are going to add the catalog management, and here we are going to add categories, and here as well we are going to add categories here as well, and here as well categories. Okay, so admin, after that here products will come, products, and in session value also we are going to add the products to highlight the products. Okay. For now we can only add these two, and we can. Okay, so we are going to show these here catalog management, and here we are also going to change its icon here. Okay, we are going to use some other icon. We can use this layout option icon. This one we can use. I'm going to copy layout option, layout option. Wait, is layout option. Here it is. Okay. So we are going to use this one. What is this? Okay, so this one looks fine. Catalog management. It is seems to be like catalog. Okay, and uh, so it's fine, I think. Okay. So admin management, like if you will open and close like this, then you can open and close like this. Okay. Like this. So after this, now also here we are going to uh, add the catalog here in the categories blade file, index blade file. And also we are going to add the catalog name. Okay, and also here and here also. Fine. So now we are going to add that level, category level after category name. Okay, so here we are going to add first of all the recursive relationship in category model. Okay, so we are going to add this subcategories relation. We are going to add the has been relation so that we can able to fetch the subcategory of any of the category. Okay, and we want to fetch further subcategories of that subcategory as well. So this recursive function, we are going to add this recursive relation in the category model. So I'm going to open that category model, and here after this parent category, we are going to add this recursive function. We are going to align it. Okay, so see subcategories relation. So one category has many subcategories, okay, and further that subcategory has again other subcategories, okay. So after that, we are going to add the categories static method in category model, okay. So we are going to create this get categories function as well. So that will help to fetch the subcategory details and also able to fetch the subcategory details. Here you can see that we have added these subcategories dot subcategories, okay. So it means we will fetch up till 3 level of the category, okay. So so this function, we are going to add this function. Yeah, after this subcategories, we are going to add this function that will help to fetch all the categories with their subcategories and with their subcategories, okay. And also we will define here the type, okay. Because in type we are going to send the admin or front. For the admin, we are going to show all the categories even if the menu status is 1 or 0, but at the front for the menu we will only fetch the categories that is having the menu status as 1, okay. So here we are going to send the type for that. So if type is front, then we are going to only fetch the categories that is having the menu status as 1. Other than this, the status must be 1 for all the categories, whether it belongs to the admin or belongs to the front. Okay. So also the parent ID must be null, okay, for the parent category, so that we can able to fetch the subcategories of that parent category, so that it will make the hierarchy of that category, subcategory, subcategory. So that's why we need to create this function like this, okay. So after this, we are going to update this create function, okay, and we are going to update the edit function as well, so that we can able to fetch the get categories and return that, okay. So now we are going to modify that create function in our category controller. I'm going to open the category controller. And here we are going to modify the create function so that we can able to show that category level. So we are going to send that we are going to send all the categories, all the hierarchy of the categories that we have fetched with the get categories, okay. So this one we are going to fetch here and will return that to the that add edit category blade file, so that we can able to show that category level to that form. So we are going to add this get categories here. Here we are going to fetch to the all the categories from the get categories function that we have just created, and we are going to return that admin to that function, so that we can able to fetch all the categories with their subcategories and with their subcategories. And this get categories we are going to return to the add edit category blade file, okay. And also we are going to modify the edit category as well. And here see we are going to see first title, and also we're going to modify this dollar category is equal to new category, okay, here in the add category, because here we are going to add the new category, okay. And here uh, in edit function we are going to modify the existing category, so that's why we are going to fetch that id from that id, okay. Find or fail. So here we are going to modify that edit function. See, it's already there. Okay, fine. It's fine. So after that, we are going to get categories once again. We are going to use these get categories once again here to fetch all the categories here as well. And this one, this get categories, we are going to return to the add edit category blade file in case of the edit function as well. Okay. So we are going to modify the update function as well. And here, see in the update function, here see request merge, that is fine, and dollar messy, that is also fine. Okay, so this one I think no nothing is required to update. Okay, so finally we are going to add this that category level drop down. We are going to add in our add edit category blade file, and here we are going to add this level right at the top, okay. Here we are going to add this level, okay. We are going to align it as well. See, I have spent a lot of time in it, okay. So that's why I able to do it so fast. Okay, so here, see, we will add this category level parent category. We are going to show this parent category, this main category at the top here. Okay, so if the admin select this main category, then we are going to assign that null, because the parent ID will have the null entry for the main category. Okay, so here you can see that all the main categories here in the categories table is having the null. Okay, so if the admin wants to add another main category, then we are going to assign the null to the parent ID. Okay, otherwise we are going to assign the ID. Like if the admin wants to add this men t-shirts inside the clothing, then the one ID will come up here in the parent ID of the men t-shirts. And if the admin wants to create this inside the men category, then for ID will come up here in the parent ID. Okay, like this, we are going to modify this parent ID. Okay, so we will loop through all the categories. First, we are going to loop through the main categories. Okay, after that, we are going to loop through the subcategories, and after that, we are going to loop through the subcategories. Okay, so you can also check this. You can also debug your code, like in the create function, we can debug this hierarchy dd like this, and here we are going to add this hierarchy like this. We are going to debug it like this, and now I'm going to refresh, and here you will get the hierarchy. Here you will get all the categories with their subcategories. Okay, and with their subcategories as well. Here you can see that we have got these main categories: clothing, electronics, appliances, and this men t-shirts we have added as the main category. So here we also got the subcategories, and also we have got the subcategories as well. Okay, you can see the three level hierarchy: category, then subcategories. Okay, subcategories, and then the subcategories. Okay, so I think in some cases, okay, so we are going to add the subcategories. So let's do that. So this one I'm going to comment. So you can debug it like this. So now let's move to the next step. Okay, so now update add edit category method. So finally we are going to update this add edit category method as the category service, so that we can able to update this category level. So we are going to get this category service function, and here add edit category function, we are going to add this code to save the parent ID and null for the main category. Okay, so we are going to add this code there. So here we can edit edit the top. We can do it like here. We can add. Okay, and this is for saving the parent ID. Okay, so if the parent ID is not coming, then we are going to assign the null. Otherwise, the parent ID will come up from that form. You can also check it out. I'm going to refresh it, and so here you can see the form, the add edit category form, and the field we able to add, that is the category level. Okay, here and here the main category as well as the other fields have come up here. Under clothing, we can able to see the men, women, and kids, and these are the parent categories. Okay, so here I don't think that the that parent level or something we require. We can remove this one parent category. We can simply add here the category level. Okay, so the admin can add any category level, and we are going to align it as well. Okay, so align it this one as well. Make sure that you align your forms. Okay, your form, your code, your HTML, everything. Okay, so here you can see, now we are going to add the category, new category we are going to add. Okay, and then we are going to find. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to add the another category inside clothing. Okay, man, woman, kids, or we are going to add inside electronics. Okay, so let's add inside electronics. Okay, I'm going to add the mobiles under electronics. Okay, mobiles, and I'm going to give any image. I don't have. I will add something image here. I'm going to search mobile. Okay, so any mobile image we're going to add any. Okay, so it will pick WebP or not. I'm not sure. Yeah, yes, it is. Okay, so site chart. I'm not going to add for now 10, and here mobiles. Then categorization smartphones. Swap for smartphone. Next, and meta title mobile at reasonable price. Okay, and same thing we're going to add in description, and here we're going to just add mobiles shown header menu. Click on submit. Yes, we able to add the category, and you can see that we able to add this mobiles category under electronics. Okay, so for the first time we able to add the category under another category. Okay, so here you can see the level, and here you can see the we able to add the mobiles under electronics. Okay, so under mobile, once again I want to add some other category under mobiles. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going back here in our categories. I'm going back, click on add category. Okay, and now I want to add the another category under mobiles. Okay, so we can say like Apple mobiles. Okay, Apple mobiles, like this, Apple mobiles, and I will just give the URL for now, Apple mobiles. So let's add this one under that. Yes, I able to add the Apple mobiles under mobiles. Okay, so you can see here the hierarchy. First added, we have added the electronics. Then under electronics, we have added the mobiles. That is the parent category for mobiles is electronics, and then we have added the Apple mobiles, and the parent category for the Apple mobiles is the mobiles. Okay, so you can check out the hierarchy here as well. Here you can see first electronics, then mobiles, and under mobiles Apple mobiles, and the hierarchy is also showing the same thing. Okay, so like this you can able to do, and now I'm going to modify the category as well. Like we have added earlier the men t-shirts. I want to move under uh, here I'm going to want to move under men. Okay, so here I will select the men, and then we'll submit, and it must get moved here. Let's see. Yes, men t-shirt is now under men. Okay, so it's fine now. Now I'm going to check its hierarchy, and now the men t-shirt is now under men, and the men is under clothing, so that is fine. So hierarchy is now fine for all the categories. Okay, so like this you can able to add the categories under subcategory and under subcategory as well. Okay, so you can able to do this at your end. I hope that that's clear to you, and in the next part we are going to work on the validation of our add edit category form. So please stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.